Hi, this is Usha. Welcome to Rathod's IAS classes and welcome back to Target Prelims 2021 series. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss about one more and one important scheme, that is PM Swanidhi. So let's get started and let us see details of this scheme. So again, I am saying repeatedly, I am using as many infographics as possible because it will be helpful for long-term memory. Okay, so this PM Swanidhi scheme, so if you see here, you can see Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay, so in this way you need to identify which ministry it is implementing this so and so scheme. So this PM Swanidhi scheme implemented by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. And now let us see next infographic. So if you see this infographic, you can see here is our Prime Minister and here he is a street vendor. So you can see this PM Swanidhi scheme, which is related to something like street vendors, right? So it is related to street vendors. And now let us see next infographic. So here again it says as Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So here if you see, it mainly says that it is empowering street vendors with the PM Swanidhi scheme. So this PM Swanidhi scheme, which is mainly relating to empowering, it is mainly related to empowering street vendors. So now let us see salient features of this scheme. The salient features includes loan tenure of 1 year of working capital. So working capital will be given as a loan for tenure of 1 year, and interest subsidy will be given 7% per annum on timely repayment, okay, paid quarterly. So if there is any timely repayment done or paid quarterly, then interest subsidy will be given, that is 7% per annum. And monthly cashback incentives up to ₹100 on digital transactions. On digital transaction, if you are using like Phone Pay, Google Pay, so and so, you will be getting monthly some cashback incentives, that is up to ₹100. And next one is, so if you are paying that loan on time, then you will be eligible for higher loan on timely early repayment of first loan. And it covers urban local bodies across the country. So these are some important salient features of this scheme. And now let us see next infographic. So it mainly talking about here PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi, okay, that is PM Swanidhi. So it is a special micro credit facility for street vendors. So this scheme, which is mainly related to micro credit facility for street vendors. So here in this infographic we can get some new points, that is it is a central sector scheme. So what is the difference between central sector scheme and centrally sponsored scheme? Central sector scheme means 100% of funding that we can get from center itself. No sharing of funding between center and state. And if you are talking about a centrally sponsored scheme, so here in this scheme, funds will be divided between states and center. It may be 60:40% or 70:30. 90:10, okay, 75:25. So in this way, here funds will be shared between center and states in centrally sponsored scheme. So this PM Swanidhi, it is a central sector scheme. So this is one important prelims fact. And next one is vendors, they can get loan up to ₹10,000. And this scheme launched on June 1st, 2020, and loan application that started from July 2020. And important target under this scheme, it is to cover over 50 lakh street vendors. And now let us see some more details who are eligible for this scheme. So here under this scheme, all vendors from rural or urban area vending in urban local bodies, they are eligible. And to get beneficiaries or to get some favor from this scheme, they need to possess some important certificates like certificate of vending or vendor's identity card and provisional certificate of vending, letter of recommendations. So out of these 4 things, any one it is necessary to get benefit from this scheme. So if you're talking about what are the benefits for repayment of loan by digital platform. So whenever they are using any digital receipts or any payments by using UPI or QR codes of payment, then they will get monthly cashback. Okay, so monthly cashback will be one important benefit for people they are using this digital payments under this scheme. And monthly cashback of rupees 50 on 50 eligible transactions, and another rupees 25 on 100, and further 25 rupees on 200 or more, they will get cashback. Okay, and if you're talking about benefits under this PM Swanidhi scheme, so rate of interest by banks and NBFCs, non-banking financial companies, and MFIs as per RBI norms. So here rate of interest will be based on as per RBI norms, and interest subsidy to be transferred through direct benefit transfer to directly borrower's account in quarterly installments. And we can also get cash back on digital transactions up to rupees 100 per month. And next one is digital payment aggregators. Mainly they will collaborate in onboarding street vendors, for example Paytm, Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, etc. And transaction trail also created that will build the credit scores for enhanced future and credit needs. So these will be some important benefits of this scheme. And now let us try to practice one possible question from this scheme. So question is, consider the following statements. So first statement here is, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched Pradhan Mantri Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi for providing affordable loans to small and marginal farmers. So here scheme itself, name of the scheme itself is saying that it is street vendors. So it is not providing loans for these small and marginal farmers. It is for street vendors. So you can eliminate this first statement. And second one is, it is centrally sponsored scheme, but in one infographic we studied that it is central sector scheme, right? So you can also eliminate this second statement. And demand of question is, which of the above statement is or false? You need to identify incorrect statements. So here first statement is incorrect and second statement is incorrect. So correct option for this question is C, both 1 and 2. Okay. So this is about this PM Swanidhi scheme. So by this we are concluding today. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you so much.